Hey Airsofters, we're at the IWA 2024 and this is King Arms. And today I'm going to be introducing this new product of ours, King Arms TWS 9mm GBB. So as you can see, this is our last year's product, right? And it's kind of similar to another. But this year, it is made from high-grade polymer, which is way lighter and made of kind of nylon fiber, which is which makes mobility way easier. As you can see, this one is actually way lighter compared to this one. Like this part, and this part are all made of aluminum, while this part is made of nylon fiber. This part and this part. And as you can see, it's the same 9mm GBB as last year, which you can hold 30 rounds and 50 rounds. It's the same as last year. It's the same. You can hold 30 rounds or 50 rounds. Yep, these are the same. This one, and you can use this with the other Glock magazines as well, such as Marui, VFC, and other ones.
So this is our EMG product. It's manufactured by our King Arms factory, and this is licensed trade industry. Yeah, so you can see it. This is the license logo here and here. Yeah, and then so this is the handguard. You can change in different colors here. There are 4 colors you can choose. And this is our magazine. This is the 250 rounds mid-cap magazines. And for the inside, the gearbox is full upgrade 8mm bearing gearbox with the MOSFET. And so let's see, you can. And for the important things that the front side is from the real firearms from the SI. Yeah. Okay, so you can feel that this is by the CNC aluminum, and this is by the metal body. Okay, so. You can see our EMG logo after the stock. Okay. So you can adjust the length. Okay. So and also this the tracer, also by the SI license. So you can see this free is in the same series from the SI. This free is in different colors and also in different lengths. You can see this in the 8.5 inch, 11 inch, and the 15 inch. And for the EMG product, except the SI, we also have the Lancer. The Lancer one, the Lancer one is quite. So you can see there is made with 2 more easy to insert the magazine. Okay, so this is the M-lock handguard. You can access the general accessory on it. Okay, and so for the gearbox is also the upgrade 8mm bearing gearbox, and also for the grip we can try to put it on it, because this is a slim one. So if with the high toe motor in the slim one. Okay. And then so for the trial, you can see the magazine is different from the other one, because there is a T-map here. So when you want to, so if you can have, it's more stable for you to focus on your target. For example, you can like this. Okay. So for the throw, you can also choose in different size, in 6-inch or in 15-inch. And also there is the Colt and the Daniel Defense. You can see also there is the license logo here, and also in the here also the EMG logo on our stock. And this, let's see, we go highway. This is also the 250 rounds big cap. And then, let's see. Okay, so the Picatinny rail, we can also access the accessory on it.
This one is also similar to the 9mm GBB Lite, which is made of high-grade nylon fiber from these three parts. So these parts are relatively lighter in comparison to other ones. And the only thing different about this to the 9mm GBB is that this one is made of the WA M4 system. Yeah, but as you can see, this part is similar to the other one as well, to the previous one. Yeah, and then you can attach things on the top, just like you would. These Tommy are really popular at the IWA event this year, and they're completely out of stock. They might be available to distributors in summer, but other than that, these are completely out of stock. So look out for those in the future if you're interested in these.